So in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys these bundles that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so before we jump right in, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Sunber hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, divas, without further ado, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs, seeing me try out the watercolor method with that box dye and all that good stuff, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so jumping right in, today we have some bundles from Sunber hair. So they did go ahead and send me out a closure that is 18 inches as well as 4 bundles, and of course you guys see that it does come with the eyelashes, but it does come with 4 bundles and a closure. So I was super excited about this. So I am going to be watercoloring my bundles a black color. They did come pretty dark, so if you don't want to, you don't have to do this step, but I am going to lather my closure in conditioner just so that my lace does not get stained. I do later on off camera go in and bleach my knots, but I did want to still make sure that it wasn't stained or anything, just because I mean, like, who would want their lace stained? So that is why I am taking this step before I go ahead and do the watercolor method. Now that I have lathered my closure in the bundles, it's time to move on to the dye. I will be using this Revlon dye. This is in the number 10 and it's in the color black. So this is also from their Color Silk line. I absolutely love their dyes because they work so well, and they really work well with this method. I haven't tried any other ones, but I am going to go in and just mix everything. I am going to be using 2 boxes of dye just because I have 4 bundles and the closure, and I wanted to make sure the color got on all the bundles. So I just went ahead and used 2 boxes of dye. It's completely optional. You could just use 1 and it probably will be fine, but I just wanted to make sure that my bundles were super black, so I just did go in and use 2, and I'll let you guys go ahead and watch as I watercolor it. Of course, you guys know I'm going to place hot water in a boiling bin, and then I'm going to place the dye in there as well as mix it up, and then I will be placing the bundles and the closure in there so that we can dye it in less than 10 minutes. after I finished dyeing those bundles, I did go ahead and rinse out the bundles as well as the closure, and then I did go ahead and construct the bundles, excuse me, into a unit, and then I, of course, washed it again, and then I conditioned it. And what else did I do? I did blow out the hair so that I can have like a super straight and silky type of flat iron, and then I flat ironed the hair. And then the next clip here, you guys are going to see the final results of all that I told you that I did. So here's how it looks, and here's how it falls on me. So it does fall pretty long on me, but I am short and I do have a shorter neck, so keep that in mind. So now I'm just going to go in and make the unit work for me, and then you guys will see me finish out the video with my thoughts on this hair. So far, I will be returning to you guys with another review, but this is what I think of the hair so far. But yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch me work with this hair. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I am loving this hair. I want to say, first of all, thank you so much to Sunber Hair for sending me out 4 bundles. I absolutely love my hair, really thick, so I really do love the fact that they sent me 4 bundles. Now, although it is 4 bundles, it's not like too overwhelming because this is all the hair to the front. Let me make sure. So yeah, this is all the hair to the front, and it is not like too overwhelming or anything. As you guys can see, like, it's just nice and healthy and full. I definitely could have got away with 3 bundles and the closure because I did have to like force the 4th bundle on there, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I am so in love with this hair. Now, as you guys seen, I did test out the watercolor method with the box dye on this hair, and it worked perfectly because, as you guys can see, excuse me, my hair is now black, which that's how I love it. I love my hair to be like a 1 or a 1B, but you guys know virgin hair comes in it comes in like a natural black or brown color. It's very seldom that you get like a dark black that is like dark enough for it to look like a natural black or a color number 1. But I just wanted the hair to be black, and also because I knew I wanted to pull the closure behind my hairline, and I did dye my hair the color black, so I did want to make sure that it matched and everything. And then I just love black hair, so let's go ahead and get right into this hair. So my experience with the hair was really great. When I did go ahead and make my wig, I did sew my closure on, and then I did do the hot glue gun method. And with that being said, I did go ahead and cut the wefts, and I believe that that's the reason why I experienced shedding. Other than that, like, I don't have any shedding now that I have styled the hair, because I did go in and wash it again and blow dry it, and then I flat ironed it, and as you guys can see, like, I'm not experiencing any shedding or tangling or anything. So the dye did not affect the hair or anything. Like, the hair just still looks perfectly good, and the hair is just so freaking nice. Like, I love the density of this hair. I love the texture and the feel of this hair. It's just so freaking gorgeous. Like, look at how gorgeous this hair is. And I also really love the length. I don't know if it falls a little bit longer on me because I am 5'2", but this hair is 24 inches. On me, it kind of looks like a 26 inch, but it is 24 inches. So I guess it depends on like your height. I also really love how full their bundles was. Like, I didn't have any problems with like it being too thin or anything, because you guys know, and sorry for running my fingers through the hair, but you guys know the longer the lengths, like, sometimes it does get a little bit thin when it's like longer lengths. But these bundles were super duper full. As you guys seen when I unboxed them, they were full, so I really did like that. So overall, I really do like the hair. I have really no complaints with this hair, honestly. The only thing I would suggest to them is that they should make pre-plugged closures, which they actually do, because as you guys know, like, I just reviewed some bundles as well, some pre-dyed bundles and closure from them, and they do offer pre-plugged. I feel like this would have been nice if it was pre-plugged, because I am a lazy bum. Like, I don't like plucking my closures on my frontals or anything. So yeah, I would like for it to be pre-plugged, but it is still a nice closure and I really do like it. I was able to go ahead and blend it with my natural parting, because as you guys can see, my natural parting is super thin, so that's why it doesn't really bother me like when the parts are like kind of thin, like not too tight, but like this I don't mind because it blends right in with my natural parting, so I didn't mind. But it would have been like really nice too if it was like pre-plucked. Overall, I really do like this. I also want to mention that I do have, I believe my closure is an 18-inch, and my bundles, or no, what is my closure? I'll have all the information in the description box below because I honestly don't remember, but I know that my closure is a different length, because as you guys can see here, it's like a little bit shorter. Let me go back. But yeah, all the bundles are 24-inch. I did want to include that. But you guys, like, I love this hair. I will definitely be wearing it, and I will be returning to you guys with like a get ready with me and updating you guys on like how I like this hair, maybe even like styling it and everything. Like I said, like a get ready with me, so that I could tell you guys how I like this hair. So far, I'm absolutely in love with this hair. This hair is thebomb.com, so you guys definitely go ahead and check the links in the description box below and get your bundles, because not only are they bomb, but they are very affordable. So yeah, and I have worked with this hair company before, and I love those pre-colored bundles as well, so definitely check them out. Like, they have some really nice hair. Like, I really am in love with their hair, so definitely check the links in the description box below. And if you guys want to wait for my follow-up review, that's fine too, but I'm telling you, sis, like, you need these bundles, like, especially with these inches, because it is a little bit longer. I don't know if that's just on me though, so don't listen to that, but they are freaking long on me, which I love. You guys know I live for long hair, but yeah, I am loving these bundles. So yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.